Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning and welcome to another 1 Minute Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now, if you'd like to finally face those pains or issues that you have stopping you from living your life the way you want, how would you like to work together to help unlock the next big adventure in your life? You can book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com, find a perfect slot for you, and let's talk. But first, here is today's quote. Without rain, nothing grows. Learn to embrace the storms of your life. We will all go through rough times. Some we know will pass themselves, others will leave us uncertain in how we deal with them. But this is life. We have ups, we have downs. Some more than others, but like all things in nature, without rain, nothing grows. Try to learn to ride the storm. After all, a skilled sailor was never made from calm waters.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.